さっさと逃げ。
そろそろ維持するのも限界が。もう撃ってもいいですか？撃っちゃってもいいですか
？Hello everyone! Welcome to Learn Japanese with Anime. I'm Jasmine. On my channel, you can learn real Japanese through conversations used by anime characters. I created 4 questions that strengthen your listening skills and increase your vocabulary. For each question, listen to the conversation and fill in the blank space with the most appropriate word of the 4 options. Choose your answer while the conversation is played twice. After checking the answer, we will practice pronunciation together. Well, let's get started.
Question 1. First try.
私から離れて。
Second try.
私から離れて。
Answer.
Megumin said, みんな、私から離れて。The answer is A. みんな。
Everyone.
Check out the other options. 南、
South.
緑、
Green.
みかん。
Mandarin orange. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. みんな、南、緑、みかん。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Everyone. South. Green. Mandarin orange.
Excellent!
Question 2. First try.
そろそろ維持するのも限界が。
Second try.
そろそろ維持するのも限界が。
Answer.
Megumin said, そろそろ維持するのも限界が。The answer is D. 限界。
Limit.
Check out the other options. トナカイ、
Reindeer.
こづかい、
Allowance. Pocket money.
社会。
Society. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. トナカイ、こづかい、社会。限界。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Reindeer. Allowance. Society. Limit.
Outstanding!
Question 3. First try.
「
助けに来た相手の影に隠れるってのは、
Second try.
助けに来た相手の影に隠れるってのは、
Answer.
Aqua said 助けに来た相手の影に隠れるってのは The answer is B 隠れる
Hide.
Check out the other options 疲れる
Get tired, get fatigued.
生まれる
Be born.
忘れる
Forget. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me 疲れる隠れる生まれる忘れる Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Get tired. Hide. Be born. Forget.
Great job!
Question 4. First try.
もう撃ってもいいですか？
Second try.
もう撃ってもいいですか？
Answer.
Megumin said もう撃ってもいいですか The answer is C もう
Now, already.
Check out the other options まだ
Not yet, still.
よく
Often.
つい
Unintentionally. Accidentally. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me まだよくもうつい Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Not yet. Often. Now. Unintentionally.
Amazing! Check the description box if you want to learn kanji. The 60 new Japanese words can be found there. That's all! How did it go? If you did learn something new, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you. I will see you in the next video.